been attendance, but still, I think quality attendance, I feel people who are interested in knowing the new areas of paper usage and interest in the paper and other products, people are here. We are really happy. We have with us a good list of speakers. They are going to give you new areas of thoughts, new areas of paper usage, and how things can grow in your organizations as well. Before that, I just take this privilege as I'm the founder of Bharat Paper Foundation. This is little away from paper, not from our regular subject, not from paper. You see, we are talking about paper and environment. Everybody, we talk about sustainability, biodegradable, and all other, it is environment friendly, but somehow, you see, greenwashing is being done on the paper industry or the paper. People, they want to advocate digital or whatever they want. There are a lot of developments taking place. They can use that, but they try to throw the mud on the paper industry, saying that it cut trees and it cuts forests. We, under Bharat Paper Foundation, we are going to fight greenwashing and also develop public awareness programs for the public, what the real status of the industry is. In that, we are also thinking of doing that from because paper only is connected with textbooks, with NCERT and state governments. We want to, with the support of IFTA and other like organizations, we want to develop some curriculum from the childhood so that people know that paper industry is environment friendly industry. Because I had one experience in Hyderabad. When GST was introduced, they were telling your way bills can be on the mobile and there's no need to use paper, there's no need to cut trees. Then I got up, it's a crowd of around 200 people in a FAPSI meeting, federation meeting, and I was explaining that Indian industry does not cut, hardly around 10% use wood pulp, remaining all is waste paper, bagasse, all those things. After 10 minutes, that Secretary Commercial Taxes, he says he's from the paper industry, is trying to support. See, people, even when we say they are not able to digest, because they feel from the childhood it has been got into their minds that paper is made cutting environment, cutting trees and forests. I think we as lovers of the paper, it is our responsibility to give a clear picture to the society what the paper is, the good and bad. Might be some of the good and bad of every industry is going to be with the paper, but actually the paper is sustainable and we don't spoil the environment. Just now, around 10 minutes back, I was talking to Mr. Krishnan. He was kind enough, he has told, don't use the word cut, use the word harvest. See, whatever that 10% is also being done, it is the industry is harvesting the wood and using it. They are not cutting trees. Actually, in India, cutting trees and forests has been a long time. I think this message we want to take through Bharat Paper Foundation, and also want to have interactions with environmentalists and other technical organizations, and how we can tell to the society that we are eco-friendly and make various programs. And you see, every organization, everything we do, it have a cost. For financial support, we are planning to have exhibition PAP Expo every frequently. I mean, frequently means once in 2 years or depending upon the feedbacks we receive. And whatever funds generated they will be financially supporting this Bharat Paper Foundation. And the first edition, a curtain riser, is going to be done in Hyderabad, HITEX, on March 7th, 8th and 9th. And the proceeds of that financially they will be supporting this one. We request all the gathering here and all the paper lovers to kindly support the Bharat Paper Foundation and also the fundraising of this Bharat Paper Foundation. Shortly, we will be sending letters to all the members of 2,400 members of the IFTA, asking them to become members of this. Our membership is going to be free. It is no cost. It is only we need the involvement. Wherever you receive any information against paper, we want that to be communicated to our organization, and we will take steps including if required legal cases against those people who are trying to put mud on the paper or paper industry. This is a very small brief I have told. We will exchange information with all of you in the coming days. And to start our session, I think it's really interesting because we had a lot of speakers yesterday. We had a lot of speakers telling, and they have been telling about the growth of the industry, the new this one. See, single-use plastic itself has thrown up so many opportunities, so many challenges to us, and I think it is only never-ending opportunities for the paper industry in the future to come. Now I request our members to kindly give their presentation. Must I start with the